Hey, this video is specifically for lifecycle or retention managers or anyone that's in charge of an SMS or email program to understand how HiTide connects to platforms like Attentive, Klaviyo, and Postscript to drive new subscribers. This video is meant for people that already have a general understanding of what HiTide does. If you don't, then you should watch video 1, overview of HiTide, the value that it creates, or video 2, which is a quick walkthrough of the HiTide platform. Okay, so you already know what HiTide does. Let's give you a better understanding of how HiTide syncs into your SMS or email program, including how data flows to your platforms. We're going to start with a quick description of how you connect HiTide to Klaviyo, Attentive, Postscript, or your SMS and email platform of choice. On your initial integration with HiTide, all you have to do is go over to Settings and connect your SMS and or email platform. This is done through the auth flows provided by our integration partners and should take no more than 20 seconds. Okay, so once your SMS and or email platform is connected to HiTide, you're going to set up your standard config within the very first campaign that you set up on HiTide. This configuration is almost always a one-time job, meaning your initial configuration settings will carry over to all new campaigns in the future. In some cases, you may want to set separate configuration for some sort of different campaign type in the future. You have the ability to do that, but most likely you'll use the initial configuration and it'll be a one and done type situation. To configure the campaign, there's a number of other settings, including copy for the direct message, including triggers for how to set rules to send out that initial direct message. But what we care about for the purpose of this video is setting up your SMS opt-in method and your email opt-in method. You can find those fields at the very bottom of your campaign setup page. For SMS, you're going to input either a new text to join keyword, a new short link, or a sign up unit, depending on your platform. And you can find all the details by hitting this little help button on the opt-in screen. For configuring your email opt-in, same deal. You get the same little help button. In most cases, you'll use either a Klaviyo list ID or an Attentive sign-up unit or something similar. For each new subscriber that we add to your platform, regardless of the opt-in method or the campaign they're coming through, we'll add a general HiTide tag to their profile, and we'll also add a campaign name tag to their profile. This means that you can use the same sign-up method, whether that's a keyword, sign-up unit, short link, etc., across all of your campaigns, and know that you'll be able to drill down into a specific campaign to find those subscribers within your SMS or email platform. In addition, there's a number of more advanced settings, including geo-routing, sending people from the US, for example, to one list, sending international subscribers to another list. We'll cover all of those details in your kickoff, and we'll make sure that you're configured in a way that matches your preferred routing for those subscribers. Now that you know the basic configuration for where we're sending subscribers and how those subscriber profiles will be updated with campaign data and HiTide marker, I want to tell you a little bit about how we treat new versus existing subscribers. So on each campaign, you can denote whether you want to collect phone numbers only, for example, or phone numbers with email fallback. That means that we'll collect an SMS opt-in from new subscribers, or if when they type their phone number into the direct message, we know that they are already an existing subscriber via lookup into your SMS or email platform, we can instead ask them for email and make sure that we have as much opt-in coverage on that user as possible. In terms of delivering the end promised value to the user within the direct message, for example, generating a discount code or confirming a giveaway entry, all that is handled in the auto reply message. You may want to send either a static or dynamic discount code in the confirmation message, which is the message that the user receives after they successfully join your text or email list. Or you might want to just thank them for joining the list and tell them to check their text messages for whatever coupon value or giveaway entry confirmation you want to provide. For example, if your social call to action offers a discount and that discount matches your general welcome flow, you can simply tell them to check their text to receive the discount. You don't have to set up a new coupon code, and you can just ride on the existing successful welcome flow. Okay, you now have a pretty good picture of how to integrate your SMS and email platform with HiTide. Our knowledge base covers a whole bunch of more in depth features like our viral sweep integration, how to use webhooks, and a bunch of other stuff that we're not going to cover in this video. Feel free to hop over to the knowledge base and read more. Thanks for watching and enjoy using HiTide.